Hey, what's going on? This is Reed, aka Carnivore Chef. For this recipe, let's go ahead and get our prep out of the way. We're making two different frittatas, but we'll keep it a mystery as to which ingredients are for which until it's time. Grab a good 15 to 20 chives and give them a fine dice. Next, we're going to need about 3 ounces of Gruyere. Shred this on the smallest holes of a box grater. We want this to be able to melt with ease. Now, grab a block of goat's cheese and place it right in the palm of your hand. It made me uncomfortable to watch the footage of me doing this, but it's a necessary step, so I'm showing it to you too. Up next, you'll need about 3 ounces of Black Forest ham. Give this a fast forward dice. And finally, we need some bacon pieces. I bought some cheaper bacon, so it was really annoying to dice. But I got it done and transferred it to a pan so over medium-high heat and get it nice and crispy, even though I'm not the biggest fan of crispy bacon. Here's a miscalculation on my part with the blender, but feel free to follow along using a bowl and a whisk if you're not feeling like blending. Add in 6 eggs, some black pepper, some of the finest salt you can get a discount on and support the channel at the same time with, your Gruyere, and finally your bacon. Process on low for about 1 minute. My goal for these was the bacon and Gruyere egg bites you can get from Starbucks, but I'm not a well-oiled corporate machine, so mine aren't even close. Anyways, here's the next one. Let's add 6 eggs, half of our goat cheese, all of our ham, half of our chives, some salt, and finally some pepper. Blend on low for about 1 minute. These recipes will make 6 frittatas each. Pour into a non-stick muffin tin, placing a little dollop of goat cheese into the goat cheese and Black Forest ham frittatas. A carnivore truffle, if you will. Place these onto a sheet pan and into an oven that's been set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. They may still be slightly liquidy, but they're still cooking when you pull them out. Let them rest for 5 minutes after pulling out of the oven. The goat cheese and ham frittatas were the ones that benefited from the blending because of the addition of the goat cheese. It helped make the entire thing kind of silky. The bacon and Gruyere could have used something similar, or even just some cream cheese to smooth them out, but they were still super tasty. You can make this channel smooth and silky by either adding goat cheese or by liking and subscribing.